up, everybody? Well, today I'm going to be solving a huge first world problem that we have as track guys. But I don't know about y'all, but I always have to borrow someone's mount whenever I go to the track day because A, I forget to buy one. I always tell Doe, I'll buy one. Guess what? Never happens. Well, recently, a company by the name of ProClip, voila, caught wind of this, and they contacted us, and we got this. This is their solution to my little problem. So we got two packages here. We have the ProClip left mount, and for your information, they offer 3 positions for these mounts. They offer a center mount for AC. It goes anywhere here. It can slide around. They offer a left AC vent right here, and they offer, which I opted for, is the A-pillar. So basically, this just kind of clips on there. It's pretty nifty. It seems like it's made out of feels like a hard ABS plastic of some kind.
Where's it made?
It's made in Sweden.
Ah.
Sweden. I'm from Sweden. I love that movie. But they were kind enough to provide us with these, and we're gonna install it and see how it does. Unfortunately, we don't have a track day coming up anytime soon. Like what?
Mid-May.
May. Maybe. That's a maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
So, 'cause that's kind of far ahead for us to plan ahead. You know, Doe's got a family, and I also have a life. It's hard to believe. I do have a life. So things pop up. But we're planning a track day in May. And there it is. ProClip's design to my first world issue. So, basically, it's a funky looking mount. Yes, I know. But it's designed to go right here. Anywhere here. Me personally, I like it down here. So that's where it's gonna go because it's nice and handy after I'm done. Because normally when I'm borrowing someone's mount, I usually have it up here in front of, on this flat surface right here. And last time I cleaned the car, I was using someone's mount and they said like, yeah, dude, I've had this mount for like 5 years. And it left a nice little
ring. You can still kind of see it.
Ring o residue right here. And yeah, that took me like all 30 minutes to clean up. So yeah, no thank you. I'd rather have a nice clean solution to it that doesn't also stick to my window.
The ProClip's center solution does not. There's wedge in here,
yeah,
like it would over there.
It's almost kind of like this, just a little different design, but basically it'll just hook in right here, and it'll clip here, and it goes
somewhere along
these lines. Same thing over here for the other AC. It'll just kind of go right here. But I opted for this A-pillar option. So, from what I've gathered, this should take no more than 5 minutes to install. So,
and that's going pretty slowly.
That's going pretty slowly because we have to record stuff. So let's go ahead and I guess let's do this. You want to try and do this real time?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, fuck.
Just to show them how easy it is.
Just to show how easy it is. The hardest part is you got to pull this rubber piece off here. They give you 3M adhesive here. You can peel this off. The instructions say to peel it off, but
we're gonna try to figure out exactly where we want it first,
and then I'll deal with it later. So we'll do that later. But literally just
hook in that bottom piece first.
Yeah, you hook in the bottom piece here, and that's just
kind of force it in till you hear the click.
Snaps on, and then from there, you can move it however you want. I like mine right there. So guess what? That's where it's staying. And from there, you just, and that's that. That is secured. That's actually pretty good. I like that.
It's only as loose as your A-pillar is.
Yeah. Yeah. I drive a Subaru, therefore my fit and finish is excellent. And then from there, close the door. That sucker's installed. And so with that, they also provided us with, I told them I had a case for my phone. I always have a case on my phone. So, you know, I have a S6 with a nice little SPO case, and so they provided me with this adjustable holder for device with a small to medium case gives you thicknesses and all this other fun stuff. Inches for American, millimeters for you
everyone
across
else
the pond, for you normal people. So quite literally, it just like that. And so, you know, you can put it like this, but I'm not an Uber driver anymore, race car driver. So it's gonna go like this. So that's the way I'll have it when I'm on the track. That's the way I'll drive with it normally. So let's go ahead and
the reason they sell these mounts separately, obviously for one, different style phones. So it's for your phone specifically with your case, as long as they have it up to that. Or if you wanted to.
Where's the piece of paper, yo? Where's the thingy that shows the smaller options?
Here it is.
Yes. Check this out. We just saw it. You can fit an iPad in one of these things.
Yeah, I didn't think they had like a full-size iPad. It's a full size.
It's probably a full size. It could be an Air, but we'll just assume that it's a Pro.
Yeah.
It fits behind. I mean, that'd be perfect for Emma.
So they have different mounts for different types of devices, and obviously different locations.
Look at this dude. That's like busier than a cop. Look at that. He's got GPS, phone,
another phone,
things and stuff. Look at that.
All right. So,
but yeah, we kind of nerded out on that for a second. Honest opinion, I really kind of wish they offered one that went right in here. Cause, you know, if I could, I'd like to get one to somehow manage to put on my my access port for whenever I decide to jump to that.
Oh, that would be a good location for your access port.
Just have it right here. But you know, it's okay. I'm very happy with this. So all it takes is,
let's go find a screwdriver.
Yeah, we're gonna go find a screwdriver real quick.
To mount this, first you're going to want to take out this center screw right here. Sorry, it's really bright.
Yeah,
so the center screw right there. Don't mess with the two screws on the side. That's for adjustment of the plate itself.
Yeah. If you want to, you can adjust. You could offset them if you want to, but
we're going to leave it center.
We're going to leave it center.
So
all you gotta do is get that in there, unscrew
until it detaches.
Until it detaches itself. Which I believe I am, and from there it just takes a little bit of force.
Pop it right out.
Pops right out. And see, it has a square peg design. Square peg with a bolt. Sorry, it's a little blurry. There we go. But yeah, it just fits in there. So the instructions tell us that we have to put it on right here. As you can see, it's got 6 holes. You can mount it however, or if you want to fight the power, you can drill your own holes and just mount it in the center. You know,
but we don't recommend that.
Yeah, we don't recommend that. Like, you know, they provide us with holes, we're going to use them. So they also provided us with a little pack of screws, which is awesome. And hopefully the screwdriver fits it. Probably not. Nope. That okay, it kind of does. So we are going to see if I can do this without dropping one. Oh god, it's so close. So close to being... I'm probably not helping this, and I dropped it. Okay. Alright, so we got it mounted, obviously. Everything's good to go. So now, I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to screw this back in. Until it tightens up. And that's essentially it, ladies and gentlemen. From there, phone, and that's it. Can't get much easier than that.
Easy access.
Easy access.
Securely mounted.
I like that. It's nifty, and it's out of my way. It's out of my field of view. That's another problem I have with a lot of the mounts that I would borrow. Is like, it's stick them all over here and you look like a Houston cop just driving around with all kinds of crap in front of you. This is nice and easy. It's out of the way. It doesn't block any of your AC vents. It didn't even block my window vents. So I'm more than happy with this. And now I got a mount.
Yeah.
So I don't have to borrow anything anymore and be a scrub. So thank you, ProClips.
All right. Well, yeah, as we said, we don't have another track day coming up for quite some time, so we can't really do a track review. But I'll post up some drive videos. I'm sure Mark will do some spirited cornering, show how it goes.
I live on the sticks, so I can do that.
So yeah.
Okay, y'all. So me and Doe installed these nice ProClip phone holders or phone holder. So for the cars for the STi here. Sorry, I'm all tongue today. But yeah, so I don't really drive this car too often. I hate to say that, but I do. You know, I don't really drive it too often. It's mainly a weekend car, weekend warrior / track day car. I mainly drive the Miata every day. But you know, I figure we don't have a track day until like mid to late May. You know, who wants to wait that long to see how this thing does? So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna take y'all down some back roads of my area. They're mostly straights, but they got some bendies to them. You know, do some ooh and some ah turns. But I'm gonna put my S6 in here. You know, I gotta play my music already. And yeah, let's go see how it does. Driving home with this thing yesterday, it was great. It's weird. I never had a phone, you know, a phone support like this. You know, normally I have to borrow people's Rams or someone else's, like, you know, mount. It's usually falling and stuff, but this one's, you know, like y'all saw, it's hard fixed or it's hard installed, so you know, it's pretty solid. But jeez, I haven't been back here in a while, y'all, so you know, there's a bunch of new construction I was not aware of. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna take this thing around a few bends. You know, nothing major, nothing crazy, but let's see if maybe we can get this phone to fall out possibly. Seems to be holding pretty well. Let's see here. Did it move at all? No? No, it's pretty sturdy actually. So, let's see here. Let's go for another round. Let's see here. Slight bend to the right. Huh? It seems to be doing pretty good. Like I said, y'all, I wish I could get more of this on the track. But, you know, unfortunately, like I said, we don't have a track day until May. That's a few months away, or a couple months away, and you know, I figure y'all like to see something about it now. But you know, so far so good, y'all. This ProClip's phone holder has been really good. So, like I said, I'm just gonna drive around a little bit more with it and keep y'all updated, y'all. So, thank y'all ProClips for, you know, for extending the offer for these, and thank y'all for watching. So stay tuned.